results are as big as they get. It's a tsunami sweep by NDA and a landslide loss for the Mahagathbandhan. People chose Modi-led NDA, but the Vipaksh is taking solace in its vote chori raga, going to the extent of calling it EC's victory. Before we do a deep dive into what went wrong for the Mahagathbandhan, let's get you the big picture. India's longest-serving Chief Minister, Nitish Kumar, is set to take oath for a record 10th time. The BJP is set to emerge as the single largest party. Together, their numbers flirting with the 200 mark in the 243 seats assembly. The loss for the Mahagathbandhan is beyond embarrassing. Rahul-led Congress reduced to single digits. RJD, which was the single largest party in 2020, is down to 30 plus at the moment. Forget about being the X factor. Debutant Prashant Kishore's Jan Suraj is nowhere in the picture. It has been nothing short of a dream run for the charismatic Chirag Paswan. From just one seat in the last election, his party is hovering at 20 plus seats. But ladies and gentlemen, for opposition, it is an election chori. In a rather sour mood, post the results, they congratulated not Nitish Kumar or Narendra Modi, but the Election Commission and their tool, the SIR exercise. Listen in.
More or less 10% वोटर्स डिलीट हो चुके थे. उसमें मैक्सिमम अपोजिशन पार्टीज का वोटर्स थे. इलेक्शन कमीशन बिक चुकी है.
एक तो जो महिलाओं को 10,000 रुपए दिए गए, वो चुनाव कैंपेन चल रहा तब भी बांटे जा रहे थे. इलेक्शन कमीशन मुख दर्शक बना रहा.
तो 89 लाख ऑब्जेक्शन दिए गए थे. चुनाव आयोग ने कहा कि कोई हमें कंप्लेंट दे ही नहीं रहा. लोकतंत्र की हत्या है.
The contest is directly between the Election Commission of India and the people of Bihar.
So the Congress party still seems to be talking about the SIR issue, for which there clearly were no takers in Bihar, and the mandate makes it absolutely clear. Voter Adhikar Yatra of Rahul Gandhi went on for 16 days, covered 1,300 kilometers, 20 plus districts and 110 assembly seats. What is the result? That it was rejected. That narrative of vote chori was rejected. Rahul's Voter Adhikar Yatra covered 7 of 19 seats that the Congress party actually won in 2020. But Congress's footprint has shrunk even further. It has been reduced to single digits today in Bihar. Opposition unity in Voter Adhikar Yatra. Take a look at who all were called. Those are pictures. M.K. Stalin, Revant Reddy, Siddaramaiah, Hemant Soren, Akhilesh Yadav. All the opposition leaders almost, they were in attendance, but all of them together failed to impress the people of Bihar. Let's listen in to some more political reactions.
मैं आज से कोई नहीं, मेरे 2 बयान हैं, कहिए तो मैं आपको दिखा दूं. 3 महीने पहले और 10 अक्टूबर को फिर दोबारा मैंने इस बात को कहा था कि ये चुनाव हाईजैक हो चुका है. अब इस चुनाव का कोई मतलब नहीं है और बिहार में जीत का प्रमाण पत्र एनडीए को पहले ही ज्ञानेश कुमार जी ने मोदी जी को दे दिया है.
Let's go back to our guests who continue to be with us. Akashdeep Muni, clearly no takers for the vote chori pitch of Rahul Gandhi. Will, do you think the Congress party will recognize that, acknowledge that and, come out of this cocoon कि vote chori हो रही है फिर से?
I think the Congress will do course correction. Of course, I'm optimistic. But one thing, despite ruling for 20 long and continuous years, I'm unable to understand that BJP has led Bihar worst in poverty, worst in hunger, worst in per capita income, double-digit youth unemployment, second highest in crime, and I can go on and on. Still, people believed in BJP. This is unthinkable.
So people are to be blamed.
Adjustable at present.
So you're doubting the wisdom of people of Bihar?
No, I'm not doubting. I'm doubting the numbers. I think that there is more to this rather than.
How can you? No, on one hand you say Congress needs to do course correction. You partially do agree that the vote chori narrative did not work, and then you say how can people do this? So you're also questioning their wisdom. Manish Bariyar.
Can I? See, Moni ji will not understand. यहाँ चोर लुटेरे और पॉजिटिव डेवलपमेंट के बीच का चॉइस है. How will you understand?
कौन सा है?
आप नहीं समझ सकते हैं ना. आप कभी बिहार में रहे होंगे. आपको पता नहीं है. मैं आराम से आपको
20 साल से आप राज में हैं. देश का गरीब राज्य कैसे है? अगर आप अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं
कि क्या है बिहार के लोगों ने
नहीं, ये पता नहीं आप जो आंकड़े बोल रहे हैं, बिहार तो रफ्तार से आगे बढ़ रहा है।
नहीं समझ में आएगा।
नहीं, बिहार तो आगे रफ्तार से बढ़ रहा है। जेडीयू के स्पोक्स पर्सन भी हमारे साथ, प्लीज गो अहेड।
बिहार का जो ग्रोथ है, डबल डिजिट ग्रोथ रहा है, एंड ऑल द इंस्टीट्यूशंस including NCAER, नीति आयोग, all have interested faith in the speed. ऐसे आप कुछ भी बोल दो और मानने को आप बोल रहे हंगर है, there is hunger.
26% nominal GDP growth rate.
देश का देश का सबसे गरीब राज्य बिहार है.
Growth rate. If you understand that language,
check it now. Google
it
now.
Highest in country. Look at NK Singh's
report.
report.
अभी करिए. मनीष अभी आप Google करो.
Something like that.
आप एलेक्सा
right for last 5 years, 10 years, Bihar has been in top 2 in GSDP.
तो फिर पता है बेहतर ये होता, नहीं, I want to go across to खलीकुर रहमान, फिर बेहतर ये होता कि अगर आप लोगों को इतनी चिंता थी बिहार के भविष्य की, तो फिर इन्हीं मुद्दों पर बात करते। वोट चोरी का एंगल क्यों घुसा दिया कहीं और ही? आप SIR के नैरेटिव पे आगे बढ़ गए खलीकुर रहमान। That voter adhikar yatra has had no impact?
No. I won't say that it had no impact, but unfortunately,
but it is not reflecting in the numbers that the Congress party has got.
Let me complete that. But unfortunately, the subsequent developments which happened within the party and within the seat distribution, I think that led to all this fiasco. And first of all, I think the choice of appointing Krishna Aluvaru was a blunder, actually, especially for a state like Bihar. And when his appointment was made as the in charge, in fact, the voice was already raised. And later on, we have seen, the huge protest, even from, our party cadre, your party leaders against him. So what happens is initially,
So do you think? So now, in that case, Khalikur Rahman, the usual standard defense or the blame game, that narrative needs to change, and the Congress party needs to hold up and say that we made mistakes and that's why we didn't get the mandate of the people. Will that be the official stand?
No. See, that's what I'm trying to tell you, because see, we need to introspect, very majorly within our ranks, and we have to come to a conclusion that we have been losing the states one after the other, and every time we cannot just blame on something. But so there has to be a proper brainstorming, and then we actually need to understand the mood of the voters in the country. That is very important. And accordingly,
when will it actually be implemented? I mean, every time that the Congress party loses an election, they arrive at the conclusion that we need to understand the mood better on ground. Implementation does not take place. All right, gentlemen, stay on with us. We have some breaking inputs coming in now. That the numbers are stabilizing a little bit. There's sibling rivalry in Bihar battle which has come to fore. Tej Pratap has taunted brother Tejasvi. He is calling Tejasvi Felasvi. After NDA's landslide victory, Tej Pratap calls Tejasvi Felasvi. That's the jibe he's taking at his brother. RJD brothers at war in the state of Bihar. There's a Facebook post, in fact, that Tej Pratap Yadav has put out, in which he's calling out Parivarvad. That's very interesting, Manish Bariyar. Tej Pratap Yadav is calling out Parivarvad. He says, भीतर खाने ही लोगों ने पार्टी को नुकसान पहुंचाया है, and he says his brother Tejasvi is Felasvi.
Absolutely, it was not unknown to anyone that somebody from Haryana has the reins of Bihar RJD. That's something which is, another reason why Muniji would understand why they have lost. That is one. And Aluvaru is again from outside. He had the reins of Bihar Congress. So when you had two people who were outsiders, and I have due respect, anybody can come anywhere. But then, two people completely unknown, gentleman before me, he was speaking, and he was right. When two unknown people have the reins of two of the most powerful opposition leaders, and they have the reins on them, then what do you expect? And internally, Nepo kids would have these kind of problems. People have understood that what this party is all about. So you have everybody in the family, they are feuding, they are fighting with each other. The opposition was also fighting against each other. It was not a friendly fight, it was a suicidal fight. So if that kind of a situation would be there, I think that is how you see the positive development agenda of NDA.
Okay, I want to quickly go. Okay, I want to quickly go across to Sanjay ji as well. Sanjay ji, कम से कम एक भाई से तो खूब सारी तारीफें आपको मिल रही है. तेज प्रताप कह रहे हैं सुशासन की सरकार को चुना है, प्रधानमंत्री की अब वो तारीफ करने लगे हैं, एंड ही इज कॉलिंग आउट परिवारवाद इन दी आरजेडी. इंटरेस्टिंग. लालू प्रसाद यादव्स एल्डर सन टॉन्टिंग द यंगर ब्रदर, सेइंग ये तो फिलॉसफी है, एंड परिवारवाद हैज बीन रिजेक्टेड.
I think if he is acknowledging the fact that परिवारवाद won't work in Bihar, it's a compliment to him, and also it's a compliment by him to the state, because you know the same parivar, the same faces in RJD, you know, brings back the memory of Jungle Raj and also the corruption that they have done in the past. So if he is wishing the state and wishing, you know, like he's talking about Parivarvad, I think it's his wisdom. But we have been, you know, like bringing this out, the issue of Parivarvad, because you know, if you look at that, people have whom to compare with whom. You know, like on the one hand there is Lalu Yadav, Tejasvi Yadav and family, you know, and the same faces. On the other hand, you have Nitish Kumar. So people have Nitish Kumar, who did not encourage his son to, you know, like come into politics, and he never favored any of his, you know, like extended family as well. If you look at the pictures when he's visiting his sister, you know, you will feel that there is so much simplicity, and that's a true socialism. Right. On the other hand, there is a crony socialism.
Okay, I want to quickly bring in Dr. Muni before we thank our guest. Dr. Muni, remember all the comments that were made by the opposition कि बीजेपी तो जिस भी एलाय के साथ लड़ती है उसको खत्म ही कर देती है. महाराष्ट्र में क्या हुआ था आपने देखा. बट लुक एट द परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ all the constituents of the NDA. हाँ, खींचतान चली सीट डिस्कशन को लेके, but worth it. Looks like it's worth it now.
स्वाति जी, क्या जेडीयू के स्पोक्सपर्सन आज ये बोल सकते हैं कि नीतीश कुमार जी चीफ मिनिस्टर बनेंगे? वो बोल रहे थे कुछ दिन बाद. क्या वो गारंटी दे सकते हैं, हाँ या ना? ना, वो श्योर नहीं.
वो तो पहले ही कह चुके. वो तो पहले ही उन्होंने कह दिया था. उन्होंने पहले ही कह दिया था. As we speak, okay, as we speak, we're getting visuals now. We're getting visuals now from the BJP office, and Kritika is joining us on the broadcast. Celebrations already underway. Leaders have started gathering at the office ahead of the Prime Minister's visit to the BJP headquarters.
Well, yes, Swati, in fact, a lot of workers have already assembled here. You'll be able to see the flex has also been put up, thanking the people of Bihar for this huge mandate that the NDA has been able to get, that the BJP has also been able to secure. You'll be able to see all around. We are seeing, in fact, workers already seated, they're sitting here to the Prime Minister. Behind us also a queue, in fact, of workers who have lined up to welcome the Prime Minister as well, right from one gate to the gate number 3, which is right at the very end of the BJP national headquarters as well. You will be able to hear music play in the background too. In fact, all around workers are here. मैम, आप बताइए, थोड़ी देर में प्रधानमंत्री, गृह मंत्री, सब लोग आएंगे, आप उनके स्वागत में इधर खड़ी है. कैसा लग रहा है आज इतने बड़े मैंडेट के बाद?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, जो हम भाषा में बयान नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. आज तो हमारे बिहार ने तो हमें ऐसा दिखा दिया, क्या बताए. हम बहुत खुश हैं. पूरे जनता.
पूरी उम्मीद थी कि इतना बड़ा जनादेश मिलेगा.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
आप बताइए सर, कांग्रेस की तरफ से बार बार कहा जा रहा है कि ये तो वोट चोरी है, ईवीएम मैनिपुलेशन है.
अगर इनकी सीट जीत जाए तो कोई चोरी नहीं है, हाँ, और भाजपा जीत जाए तो इन्हें चोरी नजर आती है. महाचोर कांग्रेस से बड़ी पार्टी कोई है ही नहीं. इनके टाइमिंग में मैंने देखा, आज मेरी 52 साल की उम्र हो गई, एचकेएल भगत जब इनका नेता हुआ करता था, सेम गाड़ी की आईटीओ से पहले गाड़ियां लग जाया करती थी और नकली फर्जी मतपेटियां शामिल हो जाया करती थी. अब तो चीज रही नहीं है.
अंडर में ईवीएम मैनिपुलेशन होता है.
बड़े चोर ये हैं।
So this is in fact the word that is also coming in all across. You can see in fact sloganeering has already begun. Modi Zindabad is being said as well. A lot of workers here, senior leaders have also started coming in. We have also heard that the Delhi Chief Minister is also...
Right, Kritika will keep coming back to you. We're just taking a very short break. So celebrations are underway at the BJP headquarters. They're waiting for Prime Minister Narendra Modi to arrive. A very quick break. The Prime Minister at the BJP headquarters. Celebrations underway at the BJP office. Pragya and Kritika are joining us. Pragya, Karyakartas, leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party have started arriving at the headquarters waiting for PM Modi. What time is the Prime Minister expected?
Well, we're expecting that Prime Minister is going to come any time. The time actually given to us is around 6:30. So Prime Minister will be coming here anytime soon. But you can see that they are all seated. There is Bharat Mata Ki Jai slogans that are being chanted. But most interestingly, Swati, look at the painting and the decoration here. Bihar ki Janata ka dhanyavad. But you can see Madhubani painting, you can see Maithili painting here, depicting the traditional folk art and also depicting the Hindu mythology. So this is the essence of Bihar that the BJP is right now giving here. From the stage where Prime Minister will be speaking on the results that have come from the state of Bihar. But look at, interestingly, not much has been done, not much decoration has been done right now. As far as the flower decoration is concerned, compared to the other elections. But they have ensured that they give message from here, and the message that is given from the stage is that Bihar is just a jhaki. Bengal is still there, and we all need to work there, and we will win Bengal. This is the main war cry that we are seeing here at the BJP headquarters, be it National General Secretary Mr. Dushyant Gautam, be it Delhi Chief Mr. Virendra Sachdeva, or be it Union Minister Mr. Giriraj Singh. Everyone is speaking the same line that next target is going to be Bengal, but everyone is very thrilled about the results that Bihar has given NDA, and each and every one of them, we had seen the flavors of Bihar throughout the day in the BJP headquarters, be it the stage or be it the menu. There is makhana kheer being served to the party cadre right now here at the BJP headquarters, Swati.
Right, Pragya, stay on with us. Let me quickly also go across to Kritika, who's been capturing the mood at the BJP office. Well, it's an election machine. That's what they call the BJP. So there's no surprise if it has already started working for the polls ahead.
Well, absolutely. That was the key, in fact, poster that was being carried by a lot of workers. That Bihar to sirf jhaki hai, Bengal abhi baki hai. In fact, we are hearing Jiyao Bihar ke Lala also play. So definitely all flavors of Bihar, as my colleague Pragya was also pointing out. Madhubani paintings on the flex as well. But here we will now speak to workers as well. Sir, आप ये बताइए, इतना बड़ा मैंडेट मिला है, कैसे आप देख रहे हैं इतनी बड़ी जीत के बारे में?
देखिए, मैं सबसे पहले तो बिहार की जनता का दिल से धन्यवाद करना चाहूंगा, जिन्होंने माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी को आशीर्वाद, जो प्यार, जो साथ दिया है, उसके लिए तहे दिल से धन्यवाद। ये विकास की जीत है। माननीय प्रधानमंत्री लगातार जो देश को आज मजबूत शक्ति के रूप में, विश्व में एक ताकत के रूप में बढ़ा रहे हैं। दूसरी तरफ जो जंगल राज करना चाहते थे राहुल गांधी और तेजस्वी, उनको पूरी तरीके से नकार दिया है। देश का जो बिहार का जो युवा है, उन्होंने बता दिया है तो वो विकास के साथ है। मोदी जी लगातार सबका साथ, सबके विकास, सबके विकास के साथ
है। सर, हम देख रहे हैं बिहार का फ्लेवर भी आज पूरा दिन बाहर लिट्टी पार्टी देखकर आए, मखाना खीर, इस सब के बारे में और बताइए।
देखिए, यही तो बिहार की पहचान है और पूरे देश के अंदर आज बिहार का जो पकवान है वो सब पसंद करते हैं। और आज देखेंगे दिल्ली हमारे कार्यालय पर भी पूरा आज देश दिखाई दे रहा है। सभी हमारे बिहार से लेकर देश के अलग अलग कोनों के जो कार्यकर्ता हैं, वो आज यहाँ पर माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी के लिए पलके बिछाकर तैयार खड़े हैं उनके स्वागत के लिए।
Pragya and Kritika, keep on getting us more reactions. We're taking a very short break. On the other side, we'll get you a lot of reactions and the celebrations, pictures of the celebrations that are underway at the BJP office.